I built this n8n automation system where it allows you to clone your voice right inside your WhatsApp. And at the same time, you can also convert the text messages into speech that sounds exactly like your voice. So, firstly, let me show you the demo, and after that, I will explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. Let us test the system live. So, firstly, I'm going to record a 10 seconds voiceover right inside my WhatsApp. So, I'm just going to do it. Just wait for a second. Hey, this is just a voiceover for voice cloning with fish audio. So everything will be done right on WhatsApp. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I simply send a voice note over there, and okay, an execution was actually going on. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so the voice model was actually, generated. So currently, let us simply test it. Okay, we just have to, give this particular slash TTS and just give the text that you wanted to convert into speech and just send it. So within a few seconds, we will be receiving a WhatsApp message with the audio that exactly sounds like me. So just wait a second. I'm just playing the audio too.
Hey, this is working, man, and this is really serious.
Okay. I mean, yeah, the voice was actually cloned for real. But I can actually do a little bit of modifications to be more accurate, but I simply choose the fast for the demo. So yeah, this is how the whole system will actually work. Okay, now let me just explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. But before that, you need to just have this particular simple Google Sheet in your own. So the ID and the name on the clone, that's it. So you just have to create that particular Google Sheet and connect to this particular workflow, and it just works really well. So let's continue. Firstly, whenever someone sends a WhatsApp message or an audio or interacted with any kinds with our WhatsApp number, this particular workflow will get triggered, and then we will simply, you know, extract the information, the like phone and the type and the media ID and the text body, and we will check whether it is a voice note or not. If it's a voice note, then we will get the media URL, and after that we will download the voice. And after that, the voice will be in .ogg format, I think so. So it was more like a compressed audio format. So just to be more, you know, friendly to clone the voice, we simply convert the whole, audio to MP3 format. So this is the particular logic for that. So here we simply use a pre-convert API for it. So we simply, you know, converted the base compressed audio into .mp3 format, and then we simply send it to the fish audio, and we use the latest model right here, S2.1 Pro. So after that, we will simply save the voice actor ID and the name too. So after that, we'll simply reply back, okay, the voice was saved. So now you can simply actually send a message. But let's say this is the case and this is the scenario when the user simply send a audio file, right? Or a recording. But if the user simply sent a text message, then this particular, you know, it will just route to false, and we will again have a if logic to check whether the message body has this particular thing slash TTS. Okay. So only the messages which have slash TTS. we will be moving forward to this particular next simple workflow right here. Okay. So, whatever the thing that we have, you know, after the TTS, the only that particular text will be moved forward. So the slash TTS will be removed from the complete message so that, there is no need to worry, about the slash TTS will be occur in the final audio. Okay. So the TTS word will be automatically filtered out. So nothing to worry. And after that, this workflow, I mean, this particular node will actually trigger this second sub workflow right here. So it will grab the text body and the phone number, obviously, because we have to reply back now. And also the text body is nothing but, we have to generate speech from that particular text, right? So for that reason, we only bring these two inputs from there. And after we will grab the Google Sheet, I mean, after this. So so whatever the voice model that you wanted to, use, so you can simply, filter them and simply, give the particular name right here. So currently, according to the workflow, the voice model name is my custom voice. So for that reason, I simply, gave the name to my custom voice. Okay. And after we will actually generate a, you know, speech from the given text that we actually, grabbing from the particular WhatsApp. So the fish audio node will automatically use our own, voice ID. Technically, this is our voice ID. So, and the model was also 2.1 Pro. So the output format will be MP3 format. So yeah, and it will automatically generate the speech and it will be in the binary format. And after that, we'll automatically upload the, audio to the WhatsApp, and then we will automatically send the media as, I mean, technically the uploaded speech to the WhatsApp as a audio. So yeah, this is how the whole system will actually work, and this is how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So that's it for today.